Hello, my name is Zoe and this is my English project. Today I will show you how to pack your suitcase for Christmas holidays in a neat and organized way, because I can see you already throwing all your clothes everywhere. So let's get started. When I was a baby, my mom used to pack all my clothes in her own suitcase. But 2 years ago, my father bought a Hello Kitty suitcase for me. And since then, I like to pack my own stuff. But in reality, I usually pack many things I don't need. So now, I learned how to pack my stuff and I will share it with you. First of all, you have to know how many days you're living and search in internet what's the weather on the place you're visiting. Another important thing is the occasion. For example, if it's a friend's trip, a family, or something more fancy. When you have this, make a list of the clothes you want to take. Now you have to see if everything you put on the list is really necessary. And if it is okay, just leave it like that. But if not, it's time to remove things or add something you forgot. The next step will be to grab all the clothes or stuff you chose. Don't forget your underwear and toothbrush. Now it's time to store all of your clothes on your suitcase. For that, I will show you 3 ways to do it. First one.
The first one consists by rolling the clothing. This gives you more space than folding. Then put each roll one next to the other. One disadvantage of this option is that some pieces can get wrinkled.
Second one.
This one is by matching outfits for different days and pack them together in a roll or folding them squarely. This helps you to gain time every day when you choose what to wear and helps you maintain the order in the suitcase. One disadvantage of this option is that if you want to use a garment like jeans, for example, on Monday, you can use it if you have it on Wednesday roll.
Third one. Buy packing bags. This is one of my favorites because it maintains everything in its place and you want space. Oh my god, that rhymes. These ones, I found them on Amazon for a very good price. But my aunt gave it to me as a birthday present. In these bags, I divide my wardrobe. For example, the largest ones are for the sweaters or the jeans. And the other ones are for pants, blouses, or even shoes. One disadvantage of this is that you also have to take care of these bags. And you have to be more selective of what you choose.
After having everything stored in the bags, you have to see if they fit in the suitcase, because I can already see you carrying your thousands of markers to go to the beach and your Olivia Rodrigo and Taylor Swift poster.
Another important data is to know if you're traveling by plane or by car. If you travel by car, it's easier because the size of your suitcase don't matter really. But if you travel by airplane, you might carry one type of suitcase, which is really small, so consider this when you pack. Right now, I will pack for my family Christmas trip. I don't really need fancy things, but you know me, I like to dress cool.
Oh, yeah.
I can't forget to pack my slippers, sweaters, shoes, just a pairs because they take a lot of space. Also jeans, blouses, socks, underwear, pajama, and I may pack my bathing suit because the weather in Cuernavaca and Veracruz is always amazing. Also a small bag for my creams and face products. I have this one related to personal care, like sunscreen, toothpaste, or shampoo.
Come on, just go and take a bath.
On internet, the allotted amount of liquids and creams is 100 milliliters.
Like on this micellar water.
In individual jars on the plane. If you go by car, take everything!
Hey, do it correctly. Don't be lazy. That's better. Thank you very much. Yeah, it's okay. Bye. At the end, I fit all my bags in my suitcase and I'm ready to leave.
I hope these tips help you. Love you. And Merry Christmas!